This is the first dish created by Chef Sumita in the year 2020, this new year. This is a classic Bengali dish called Lau Chingri. It's essentially bottle gourd and prawns or shrimps. Very easy, very simple dish, and this is a classic one for a Bengali lunch with white rice, Lau Chingri. So, done with simplicity, and the strategy of Sumita has been less is more. So very less spices, but really to get the flavor of the lau and the chingri out. So very easy. First get the prawn sauteed, fried, keep it separately. Then get a few spices, just mustard oil, jeera, cumin, a bit of ghee, a bit of jeera powder, very little garam masala powder, little bit of bay leaves, and a little bit of green and red chilies. So fairly simple. And then saute the lau or the bottle gourd. Once it is done, get the prawns back into the lau and get the water off and let it kind of moisture evaporate. At the end, add a little bit of ghee, salt to taste, a little bit of garam masala, and sugar. Sugar is an essential part to balance the spices, the chili flavor and the sugar flavor. And finally, we like it with a lot of coriander or dhania patta, that it adds a lot of color and flavor. So very simple dish. I find it very tasty, and it's a nice one for a lunch with white rice. Classic Bengali dish. Enjoy the various dishes which we'll bring to you in 2020. Signing off, Peshwa and Sumita.